If you're seeing a CapCut Web error, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the fastest ways to fix it step by step, so you can get back to editing without wasting time. This usually happens because of browser extensions, cached files, corrupted login sessions, VPN filters, or even a clock mismatch on your computer. The good news is that most CapCut Web errors can be fixed in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software fixes and editing tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, we're going to clear browser blocks. A lot of the time, CapCut Web can't load properly because an ad blocker, script blocker, or privacy extension is interfering with its media servers. To check this, open your browser extension settings. In Chrome, Edge, or another Chromium browser, click the Extensions icon, then open the Extension Manager or Settings page. Once you're there, turn off all ad blockers, script blockers, and privacy-related extensions, one by one. You don't need to uninstall them yet, just disable them temporarily so you can test CapCut Web again. This step is important because these tools often block the rendering or login process in the background, even if the page looks like it loaded normally. After that, go back to CapCut Web and refresh the page. If the error disappears, then you've found the issue. If not, no problem. Let's move on to the next fix. Now we're going to wipe the local session cache. Sometimes CapCut Web keeps old temporary files or a broken session in your browser, and that can cause loading issues, sign-in loops, or blank screens. To clear that out, go to the CapCut Web tab in your browser. Then click and hold the refresh icon next to the address bar. After a moment, a small menu should appear. From that menu, select Empty Cache and Hard Reload. This forces the browser to ignore the stored files and load a fresh version of the site. It's one of the most effective quick fixes for web apps, like CapCut. Once that's done, wait for the page to reload fully and see if the error is gone. If you're still running into trouble, the next step is to verify with Incognito mode, which helps us check whether the problem is caused by your normal browser profile. To do that, press Ctrl, Shift and N on Windows to open an Incognito window in Chrome or Edge. On Mac, you can use the private browsing option from your browser menu. Once the private window opens, navigate directly to the official CapCut Web editor. Try logging in again from scratch. If possible, use the mobile QR code option instead of the usual saved login method. This can help bypass corrupted credential loops, especially if your browser is stuck trying to reuse an old or broken sign-in session. Incognito mode is useful because it starts fresh without the same extensions, cached data, or stored site permissions that may be causing the issue in your regular browser window. If CapCut Web works in Incognito mode, then the problem is probably tied to your browser settings, extensions, or saved data rather than CapCut itself. In that case, you can keep using the steps in this video to clean things up permanently. Next, let's adjust system-level filters. Sometimes the issue isn't just the browser, it's your network route or system clock. First, disconnect from any active VPN or proxy tools. These tools can change how your traffic reaches CapCut servers, and that can trigger security or handshake errors. After disconnecting, try loading CapCut Web again. If the error still shows up, the next thing to check is your computer's date and time. On Windows, go to Settings, then Time and Language, then Date and Time. Make sure your date, time, and time zone are correct. Then click Sync Now under Synchronize Your Clock. This is a small step, but it can fix strict server handshake errors, especially if your computer clock is even slightly out of sync. Web apps and login systems often rely on accurate time settings to verify secure connections, so this can make a big difference. After syncing your clock, restart your browser and open CapCut Web again. In many cases, one of these fixes will solve the problem right away. If the site still isn't working, I'd recommend trying a different browser as a final test, but in most situations, disabling extensions, clearing cache data, using Incognito mode, and syncing your system clock will get CapCut Web running normally again. So to recap, the main fixes are: turn off browser blockers, hard reload the page, test in Incognito mode with the QR login option, disconnect VPNs or proxies, and sync your computer clock. These simple steps solve a lot of CapCut Web error issues without needing any advanced troubleshooting. If this video helped you fix the problem, please like the video and subscribe for more tutorials, quick software fixes, and creator tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.